Oh, daddy. あ、daddy はさっきからカインズ言ってるからこんなのこと？あ、なんだ。あそこのカインズと思った。Hi. Aalis lang kami. Pupunta kami ng ng home center dahil may kailangan bilhin si daddy na para sa kanyang cabinet. Natapos na namin yung I'm losing words. Dressing room, closet, and I think maganda yung result. I love it better now. So guys, ito nga pala yung sa TV. Ayan o. Itong bracket, hindi mo tinanggal ni daddy. Para habang tinatanggal niya, kakabit niya. Alam mo yung ganun daw. Gusto niya yung ganun para maging guide niya to. Hindi pa rin ako makaget over. Dahil sa nangyari. Kaya lang. Masyado nang hindi din naman makakatulong kung pabalik-balik kong banggitin. Kaya sinasarili ko na lang yung frustration sa about doon dahil wala na sira na. Isa pa nakabili na kaya wala na magagawa. Ito yung lately namin na eco bag na gustong gusto ko kasi kahit pang lang siya, yung pambili ng mga maliliit na bagay nagkakasya sa kanya. Pag nabili kami sa yung konting pamimili lang, nabili namin to sa Muji. Nabili namin to sa Muji. 300 yen lang to guys. Tingnan nyo, baka meron pa. Dalawang size to. May maliit, malaki. Malaki ang binili ko. Ito oh. Ganda. 100% bamboo ba to? Hindi ko na maalala. Okay, let's go. May meeting si daddy ng 5. Hala daddy oh. Kasta ka chitrin no ira na eh. Sorry. Kailangan namin makabalik na before 5 kasi may meeting si daddy. Hindi naman siguro kailangan bumalik no? As long as online naman. Ayan. Hi. Nakawin na kami ng bahay. Nababad ko ngayon ng lettuce sa sa baking soda. Okay, so ang dinner for today is magluluto si daddy ng Chinese food. Kaya lang hindi sa pero hindi ako masyadong mahilig dun sa Chinese food kaya magpapaksiw ako ng isda para sa akin.
Daddy, keep it coming. ここだけ隙間だけ開くからせーので出てきた。閉めるならこれで閉める。
Ah, okay.
どっちだせ
Ito, mama,
ー。
papaksiw ko yung fish na binili ko kanina. Ito oh. Palagyan ko ng maraming kamatis. Tapos talong. Unfortunately, hindi ako nakabili ng luya. Kaya gagamitin ko na lang siguro yung yung lemongrass. Pareho lang naman siguro itong effect, no? Yan, magigyan ko ng bawang. Okay. So guys, ito na guys, oh. Looks so yummy. Ayan na siya. May sabaw na yan. Hanggang natin. Okay. Gabate ko yan. Bumili ako nito guys, oh. Para sa loob ng pantry. Para malagay ko yung mga produce. Gabate my love. Pinababuksan ko kay kuya. Kay kuya Holly ko, oh. Kasi big boy na siya eh. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Dito pa tayo. Ayan, para may lagay ko silang lahat. Dahil may isang ganyan pa ako dito eh. Ano yan? Hindi ko pa nga lang aray. Hindi ko pa nga na-assemble. Ayun o. So, yung mga ganito kasi, yung mga produce kasi, as much as possible, hindi ko nalagay sa ref. Katulad nung, yan, onion, hindi naka-ref yan. Okay, good boy. Big boy, big boy. Big boy. Ayan na siya guys. Yan. So lahat ng mga produce namin dito, hindi ko pa na saka na lang yun. So ito. Onion, bawang. Ewan ko. Siguro potato at saka ano dun. Carrots. Tapos dito yung fruits. Ayan. Then ginawa ko tray yung look it.
I can see all things so clear. It was all pretend. I can find a higher line over the clouds above.
Hey guys. Masabaw. Try natin. Sabi ito daddy. Try. Eat your dinner guys. Daddy and Kuya Holly are having. What are you having, Daddy? You're having Chinese. Kuya Holly's request. What do you think about it? Super love it. Yeah. And then, yung picture, if you realize, I changed it. Yung frame ito, yung square frame is pinatong ko dyan para magkasya lang yung ganyang size na picture. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung isa. And then, ito, this one, may plano ako dito. And yesterday we went to buy sa 100 yen shop. There's a lot of things. Ito.
Mommy, look, umbrella.
Wow, umbrella.
Listen.
Okay. Fixing an umbrella. Okay, so
Umbrella.
let's see how we're gonna do it. Wait, sweetheart. Okay. Cover na muna natin siya. Mama?
Mama. Oh, I got la. Oh,
I love that. In the day you fell in love. In the day you fell in love. Yan, ganyan siya guys. What do you think about it? I love it. Nice, ne?
Looks like you got nature in your hands.
But let me show, mommy.
Sure.
Show play.
Sure, sure.
Play. Wow.
I love it.
I love that.
Guys, 100 yen lang to. Love it.
I'm going upstairs for copyright reasons.
Alright, but, I mean... Hello! I love it! I love it! I love it! Oh my gosh! It's so nice. Okay. Uubusan ko yung... Ang dami kong binili. But I kept the receipt kasi baka kasi hindi ko maubos yung materials. Kaya, isasauli ko na lang. Sa taas ko to ilalagay, guys. Sa may hallway. Kasi may parang doon, yung space na parang dead end. Parang wala siyang life. Kaya sabi ko, tanggalin ko muna to. One. Slowly, slowly.
One more please.
Sure. Put it there. Sure, you can have more.
Guys, our new TV just arrived. Daddy's putting the screws in so we can put it over there. It's the plug, we need the plug over there. Oh, Daddy, what are you gonna do with the rope?
See, we have to put the line inside of this. It's very difficult to put this.
This through
Put the
here?
concept here, and we cannot find the plug from here because we cannot see. That's why I'm thinking something.
So, what's your plan?
Hmm?
What's your plan?
I put this line is already inside, you know. I tied this to
Okay.
the line and pull and put out the lines from here.
Let's see if that works. So Mom and Dad are trying to put the plug in, but it's kind of hard. See.
Dekimashita.
We've done it. I mean, Mommy and Daddy have done it.
We did.
Looks awesome.
Looks awesome, right?
We have to work the TV.
Full of fingers.
Oh yeah, it is. Like this one over here.
So the next time here, the difference with the old TV and this one, it's a glass. This one. What's this? What's this?
Atarashi TV.
Candy.
Allah, so good.
Daddy,
Hey,
We
count
will
down,
let-
count down.
we will let you do the
Count down,
honors.
count
Yeah,
down.
that's what Daddy said. Okay.
Do the honors. of opening turning on the TV.
New TV.
The new TV.
Okay.
はい
The other.
Everybody.
Okay, let's count now.
はい
Hi.
Okay.
3, 5,
4
4,
3, 2, 1.
スター
It's white. It's white.
Whoa! Okay.
English United States.
Welcome.
Yes.
それはもう
Connect the
Cellphone to internet.
もうすでに
Yeah.
OK
Make the most of your TV. Skip. Accept.
accept.
Location, let go.
That's super.
Search. Miss Diary.
Make-
すごい早い早い。しかもこのなんか違うね。古いの。
Yeah, yeah. The material is very different.
これはふにゃふにゃ。
What is all
なんか堀みたい。
You're so mean. I'm running away.
これはセーラみたい。硬い。
The head, very similar.
頭硬い。これはふにゃふにゃ。
Why was that? Hunya, hunya.
なんか。
I understand. Mama, for some reason you sound like a hyena. Let's see the legs. Let's see the legs. I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. If you didn't see that, watch the video.
Go.